It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 27th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather just gorgeous today. We'll see some rain, though, before the week is over. Let's go right to the upper air look this afternoon. We have ridging in place here across the Deep South. That's the reason it's warm and dry, and a big trough back in the western states. We'll keep an eye on that thing. There's the visible satellite view. The sky mostly sunny across the state. Got a few cirrus clouds and cumulus clouds as well, but the thicker clouds well off to the west. Mostly low 80s today. Birmingham at 81. The same for Gadsden. Tuscaloosa 83. We'll be back in the low to mid 80s tomorrow and Thursday. The air turns cooler Friday. There's the watch warning map. We've got a couple of severe thunderstorm watch areas well to the west of the state. The east is quiet. Severe storms a possibility later today and tonight from Texas to the Great Lakes. Of course, we're dry. This is tomorrow. A risk of severe storms from the Rio Grande up to western New York and western Pennsylvania. Day 3, which is Thursday, got a marginal risk around Cincinnati, Louisville, parts of West Virginia up toward Pittsburgh. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The heaviest rain amounts will likely stay west and north of Alabama. For our state, rain totals about 1/2 to 1 inch between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. You can see the trough coming into Texas, ridging here. And again, rain and storms will stay north and west of the state. The sky partially sunny tomorrow, highs 82 to 85. Thursday, the day looks mostly dry for Alabama. Low 80s are likely. We'll probably see an increase in clouds, but again, the ridge holds, so that keeps the rain north and west of the state. And then it pushes in here Thursday night. This is just after midnight, 1 a.m. And then Friday, showers are likely. There could be some thunder. We don't expect any severe weather with not much dynamic support and hardly any instability. And for the northern half of the state, the better chance of rain could work out to be Friday morning. Showers will linger into South Alabama through the rest of the day and maybe into Friday evening. So the GFS on Saturday goes off the rails here. It's suggesting a wave on the front and a chance of rain for the southern two-thirds of the state on Saturday. But let's check the reliable European, and it shows nothing but a beautiful day. And that's our ongoing forecast, and we're going to stay with that. The sky should be mostly sunny Saturday. Friday, by the way, should be cooler. The high will be in the low 70s, and the Saturday, mid-70s likely. Sunday, we'll stick with the European. Sunday looks dry, partly sunny, highs around 80. And this is Monday, evidence that we might have some risk of showers in here. The European has a surface low near St. Louis with a batch of showers coming in here. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 4th. We'll go back to the GFS, a zonal flow, and that looks dry. So there's a lot of uncertainty in how this thing plays out next week concerning the next chance of rain, whether it's early in the week, midweek, or late week. Again, we'll get better clarity in coming days. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, May 7th, big trough over the eastern states. And if this is right, the weather would be noticeably cooler. But again, confidence out here is very, very low. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean about 2 inches between now and the 13th of May. Temperatures, you can see the cool down on Friday, the high dropping into the low and mid-70s, then back in the 80s next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new Cpc Outlook. This is for May 5th through May 11th. And if this is right, temperatures here would be above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.